everyone, today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I did some experimenting and today I'm going to be doing the Color Splash Rachel's Bloom Pearl on an 8x10 canvas. So I already experimented with tiles and I did these. They're all dry. So I'm going to try it on a canvas, except I think I'm going to use more color, but we'll see. So go check her out. It's her YouTube channel is Color Splash by Rachel Miller, and let me show you. The paints are thicker than they would on a regular pearl pour. So here is my pearl base. So it's thicker. I didn't add any water to this. My Floetrol is so thin, I just thinned it with Floetrol. And that consists of satin enamel by Deco Art, and it's 3 parts satin. It's about 7 parts soft body, Artist Loft. It's about 10 parts US Floetrol, and if you need to thin it, I put some Liquitex pouring medium. So that is my pearl mix that's going to be a base. And then my colors are mixed with just Floetrol, no water, and a squirt of Liquitex also. Let me go over the colors really quick. And this is Cadmium Orange by Creative Inspirations. This one is PBO High Velocity Blue Black. Is it blue black? Iridescent, yeah, blue black. Really pretty. I know that one pearls up nicely. This is Deep Gold, Amsterdam. One of my favorites, PBO Iridescent Blue Green. This is Olive Green, Light, Amsterdam. And I added some golden fluorescent chartreuse. The purple here is Primary Elements, Snapdragon, and Nightfall, this little piggy. Then I added some Artist Loft Violet. Okay, let me show you the consistency of these. This is a little bit thicker than the base. So it's thicker. I mean, it's sure not what a normal pearl pour would be. It'd be a lot thinner. And my Bloom blowout is Amsterdam Black with Australian Floetrol. And it's thinner than the colors, so it's thinner on the top and thinner on the bottom, if that makes sense. I'm going to be using a lot of this. It's mixed with, like I said, Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam Black. The oxide, black oxide. So let's experiment, see what we get. These over just a tad. See if I can get some pearls and some cool cells from the, this is still way thicker than, so who knows, maybe it'll work and maybe it won't, because that's pouring for you. My Floetrol's a lot thinner for some reason. I think it's because of the heat here. Just everything seems thinner. So if you need to thicken up your Floetrol, go ahead and leave it in a container with the lid off. And then in a couple days, well, sometimes it takes weeks. I leave the lid off a couple weeks sometimes to thicken it up. And then you have to make sure there's no crusties in there. I'm not going to be tilting this as far as moving it around once I'm going to blow it out, but I'm not going to tilt it after. So I want to make sure I get it's probably going to flow off the side. I want to just make sure I get it right now. Now, with a normal pearl pour, I would be painting it with soft body to get it to stick on the sides, but I'm not using a deep edge canvas, so I'm not real worried about that. I'm just sort of experimenting if I can go bigger if it works. And I'm not going to do it exactly like she does. I'm going to put more paint down. Okay. I think that's good. Might be too thick, but we're experimenting. Okay, I'm going to no rhyme or reason, honestly. It's just going to do. Orange for Halloween. I think I'll put the green down. Say no tilting, but I'm just going to tilt it to make sure. Okay, I'm going to pour a lot of cell activator on here, and I'm going to blow it out. Get you down a little closer. Right in the middle. That's a lot. Okay, let's see if this is going to work. Blow dryer, I'm going to come down in the middle first, and then I'm just going to blow it all out. Okay. Very cool. Looks like it's working. I'll let it sit just for a minute. See if we have any pearls coming up in the middle. We have some really nice cells, but if we don't have any pearls coming up, I'm going to try, like she does, to make them come up. These corners. Should have blown it this way. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to have to fix the sides after. See some pearls coming up here in the middle. Now what she does is she takes a skewer, this, and she'll just go in there and scratch the bottom, wipe it off. Sit down here. She scratches the bottom, and wherever she scratches, a pearl comes up. Even if I don't get pearls in the middle, it's still very cool. Getting some pearls here. Not a whole lot of air bubbles, which is strange because I just stirred everything up. Nice cells. I have stuff coming up in the middle, but really not like I got on the tiles. They're not round. Some nice pearls coming up on the edges. Not sure why it didn't work. Might not matter. Just want to see the pearls in the middle of the black. That's where I hit it, and then the pearls came up. So I'm not sure why it's not happening here, but it looks like all the colors are filling in, so that's fine too. So I'm going to give it some time, and then I'll bring you down for a close-up. And I'm always learning. I always like to experiment and do different techniques. So I'll give it about 20 minutes and then I will check in on it. It's been about 30 minutes and it turned out a little different than the tiles. The middle turned out different. It's still cool. I love the pearls that are on the edge. I'm not sure if it's finished purling. I will have a picture of it on the back if we get any more pearls going on. But yeah, look at the cells. So cool. Peacock cells. Double colors. Please comment, tell me what you think. I do a lot of different art projects, including a lot of experimenting with fluid art. Please like and subscribe. Check out all my Amazon links, my Instagram, my Facebook page. It's just a way to help me out. Thanks so much for watching. Aloha.